Wow.
Starts with
Wow, wow, wow.
E. Excuse me. Next E.
E. It's all.
Then Y. You the letter Y. L. A. N. Watch what you're doing. Go. Go. Continue. N.
E.
Do it again. Do it again. The letter N. Go. Go. Uppercase M. Do it again. Go. Follow the line. Then dot. Then uppercase M. Go. Dylan. Continue, Dylan. Go. Start from here.
Calling.
Next. The next one.
O.
Okay, the next line. Go.
E.
The next line.
O.
O.
It's O.
And the letter N. Go.
It's greedy.
Next, the letter N.
Calling.
T. Do it again. Okay, go. Hold your pencil. Hold properly. Continue with letter T. Go.
My
E. Look at here. Look at here. Then P.
E.
O.
It's O.
L.
It's
C.
greedy.
A. Do again the letter A.
Calling.
Do it again the letter A. Go.
E.
Trace it again. Then how about this line?
O.
Okay, good job. Okay, look at here, Dylan. Can you find the happy face? Which one is the happy face? Okay, let's color it with yellow. Go, color it with yellow. Go. Go do it. Bend down. Go. Okay, return the crayon. Next, which one is the sad face?
Sad face.
Okay, good job. So let's color it with blue. Go find the color blue. Blue. Good job. That's blue. Let's color it with blue. Go color it with blue. Okay, there's more sad face. Can you find the other sad face?
Sad face.
Okay, good. Let's color it with blue. Go. Color it with blue.
Pencil, don't go. Pencil, little this.
Oh, slowly. Good job. Okay, Dylan, can you find the green one? Find the green crayon. Go. Get the green crayon. Green. Okay, that's green. Okay, Dylan, which one is the scared face?
Scared face.
Scared? Scared face?
Scared face.
Okay, good job. See, let's color it with green. Green. Go. Color it with green. Slowly, do it slowly. Go.
Skill. See if I can.
Okay, there's some more scared face. Can you find the other scared face? Oh, scared face? Which one? Look at him. Which one is the scared face? Scared face. Good.
Wow.
Okay, let's color it with green. Do it slowly.
pencil.
Watch what you're doing. Okay, return the crayon.
Oh,
Next, find the red crayon. The red one. Okay, which one is the angry face?
Hungry.
Angry. Angry. Let's color it with the red. Go. Color it with the red. That's angry face. Okay, you do it. Go. Go. Watch what you're doing. Slowly. Okay, let me guide. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. Go. Continue. Continue.
Flowers.
Look at here.
Mama.
Look at here.
Wow.
Okay, find the other angry face. Find the other angry face.
Angry face.
Okay, let's color it with the red.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Okay, good job.